Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain and analyze chess grandmaster games in my YouTube channel. Okay. This event name is both Cairns Cup 2024, site St. Louis in USA, date 2024 6/22, round 9.3. The players are the grandmaster name is muzychuk Anna, international master BS international master name is Lee Alice. White player muzychuk Anna, black player Lee Alice. Okay. Now we can go now the moves. Okay. Let's start with muzychuk Anna. She playing his pawn to e4. This is called king's pawn opening. Okay. This is king's pawn opening. Now the opponent Lee Alice is going to play his pawn to e5. Okay. Then knight f3. Okay. This is book moves. Okay. Another move of black player Lee Alex. She going to play her knight to f6. Okay. Now the knight attack the white pawn right now. In this case, how to handle muzychuk Anna in this moves. Okay. She is thinking right now, and she moved his knight goes e5, cut the pawn by white knight. Then Lee Alice going to play played d6. Okay. This is already did event in USA, this game. Okay, now I am explaining right now. And muzychuk Anna, she is going to play. Okay, she is going to play his knight to f3. muzychuk Anna plays his knight to f3. Another move of Lee Alice. Lee Alice is going to play her knight cut the e4 pawn. Then muzychuk Anna, she plays white pawn to d4. Then the opponent name is Lee Alice. She played d5. Now the muzychuk Anna idea was she played her bishop to d3. Okay. Another move of Lee Alice. Lee Alice played her bishop to e7. Now both players castles easily right now. Okay. Now white player muzychuk going to castling. Okay. Short castling right now. Then black player Lee Alice. She played in bishop. Bishop go to f3. We will see. Okay. Black player played bishop f5. Then white player rook go to e1. Next move castling. After that, white player push the pawn to c4. Then Lee Alice. Knight go to c6. In this case, white player muzychuk Anna, grandmaster. She was a grandmaster. She is grandmaster right now too. She cut the c cross d5. Then black player Lee Alice decided to move his cut the pawn by the black queen. In this case, white player muzychuk Anna, the grandmaster, she played her knight to c3. Now reveal attack knight, white rook and bishop and knight. White knight also attack the queen right now. We will see how to handle this match. Lee Alice. Lee Alice played her knight cut the knight. Then muzychuk Anna, the grandmaster, played her pawn cut the knight. Okay. After that, black player Lee Alice, she played cut the, you can see right now, cut the bishop right now. In this case, white player muzychuk Anna, the grandmaster, played cut the bishop by the white queen. After that, Lee Alice, she is international master. She played rook to ae8. Okay, we will see who will win this game. Okay, another move of muzychuk Anna, the grandmaster. She played her bishop to f4. This is 14th move of white player. Black player, she played her bishop to d6. After that, white player push the pawn c4. Now attack the queen right now. The queen moves to h5. Then bishop come to d2. Now we will see how to handle this match. Lee Alice is going to decide that. She decided push the pawn to b6. Then muzychuk Anna, she moved his king to f1. After that, queen go to g8. Black queen go to g8. Attack the queen now. Then queen got the queen. then pawn got the queen. After that, rook come to ab1. Okay. After that, white player, no, black player, c moved his rook to d8. Both players have 6 pawn, 2 rook, bishop, knight. Okay. This game, muzychuk are not going to win, I think. Okay, we will see. Another move. Pawn to go to d5. Now attack the knight right now by the white pawn. After that, black player Lee allies. C played her knight go to b8. Then bishop go to g5 and attack the rook right now. Then move the rook to c8. After that, rook come to here. White rook come to d1. Okay. Then black player Lee allies, international master. C played her rook to e8. Then another moves. Drew knight go to d4. White player muzychuk Anna. She is grandmaster. Okay. We will see how to counter this match. Lee allies. She is thinking now, and she played her pawn to a6. After that, white player pushed his bishop to back to h4. Then black knight to d7. Then another moves. Knight go to there. c6. In this case, black player push the king to f8. After that, bishop come here. White bishop come to g3. Now muzychuk Anna's pieces very safe right now. We will see. Another moves. Cut the bishop. White the bishop. Then pawn cut the bishop. Then rook cut the rook. Then king cut the rook. Sorry. Now cut. Another move. Cut the rook and now check with black rook. Okay. We will see how to handle this match. White player muzychuk Anna. She played her king to d2. King to d2. Okay. Another moves. Knight come to e5. Okay. We will see e5. After that, king go to c3. Okay. The next move, knight cross c6. Knight goes c6. Then here is a pawn got the knight. Then another move, rook go to e6. Then beautiful check there. After that, black the check. Then come to d7 rook. After that, rook go to e7. Then push the pawn to c5. Now muzychuk Anna. She played his pawn to c5. We will see. Okay, push the king to there and the c goes b6. Muzychuk Anna. She played cut the pawn. Okay, another moves. C goes b6. Then another moves. Rook go to b7. After that, king go to d8. Then rook cut the pawn. Then rook come to here, black rook e2. After that, rook cut the pawn a6. Now white has so many pieces. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Lee allies. Another moves. Rook cross f2. Then rook go to a7 files. Okay. Then rook go to there and check right now. King go to there and king go to d4. White king go to d4. After that, cut the pawn. Then c cut the pawn. The player, white player, muzychuk Anna cut the pawn by the white rook. Then rook come there. Then cut. Then cut. Then go to there and cut the pawn. Now, white player cut the pawn. Now, the black player Lee allies has only one rook and king. What? Muzychuk Anna, the grandmaster, she has rook and a pawn. Okay, we will see on the moves. King go to there d7. Then king go to there. Then check. Then there. Then king go to there e7. After that, push the pawn. Rook check. Then king go to h6. Then there. Then we will check there. After that, king go to there f8. After that, push the pawn. Then check. Then king go to there. Then rook go to there. And rook go to there a7. In this case, rook come there and check. And come here. Beautiful move of what? White. King go to g7. Then rook come here and rook go to g6. Then rook go to there. This is a blunder. Mistake moves. Okay, we will see. Now check. Then go there. Then rook go to there and push the pawn. This is 59th move of white. White played g7 and rook go to there and check and go there and go there. Mistakes. and rook go to there, g4. This is also a mistake. We will see how to win this match. Now another moves. King go to there, then king go to there, h8, then king go to there, f7. Now beautiful check there. Now king go to there and get a queen. Now the game is finished. Okay, check right now. Then black the check, white the queen, and we will check right now white the queen. And rook need to cut and easily won this match. White. Black going to resign this match. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.